Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from WeChat to your bank account. First, open up your WeChat app and tap on Me. Next, select WeChat Pay and tap on Wallet in the top right corner. From there, choose Withdraw. Now you will need to specify where you want the money to go. Tap on the receiving card option, select your bank card and hit OK. Enter the amount you would like to transfer and then tap Withdraw. You will be prompted to enter your payment password, and once you do, the money will be transferred directly to your bank account. So that's how you can transfer money from WeChat to your bank account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing updates.